Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Cooking can feel daunting, but learning simple methods empowers you to enjoy healthier, tastier meals right at home. Forget complicated recipes. We'll focus on foundational concepts that build confidence. Many delicious dishes require just a few key ingredients and straightforward steps. Imagine savoring a home-cooked meal that's both satisfying and easy to prepare. It's a skill anyone can master, and it truly transforms your daily life. You absolutely don't need a professional kitchen to start cooking. Just a few basic tools will get you far. A quality non-stick pan is incredibly versatile, perfect for everything from eggs to quick stir-fries. Invest in a sharp chef's knife. It makes chopping vegetables much safer and more efficient. Also, a sturdy cutting board protects your counters and keeps ingredients stable. With these essentials, you're ready to tackle countless recipes. The secret to delicious simple food often lies in the quality of your ingredients. Fresh, seasonal produce and good protein sources naturally taste better and require less fuss. Begin with versatile staples such as eggs, various types of pasta, and an assortment of fresh vegetables. Don't hesitate to experiment with different herbs and spices. They can transform a dish with minimal effort. Choosing wisely ensures your meals are both nutritious and flavorful. You don't need to be a gourmet chef to create wonderful food. Mastering just a couple of simple techniques is key. Sautéing, for instance, involves cooking food quickly in a small amount of oil, bringing out incredible flavors and textures in vegetables or lean meats. Boiling, on the other hand, perfectly prepares staples like pasta, rice, or potatoes. These methods are the building blocks, empowering you to create a wide variety of satisfying meals with ease. The best way to build confidence in the kitchen is to start small, perhaps with just one or two simple recipes you genuinely enjoy. As you become comfortable, feel free to experiment. Add a little more spice, swap an ingredient, or even create your own variations. Remember, cooking should always be an enjoyable and creative process, not a daunting task. Each successful meal will boost your skills and open up a world of delightful culinary possibilities.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.